Guys, let me take this opportunity to introduce to you the Kupshi app. Kupshi means fix. So we are going to be fixing your business if you have any issues. Kupshi app, you have inventory, you have customers, suppliers, the ledger, general ledger, bank, fixed assets, everything is in one place. It's an ERP, a complete ERP for small businesses. No matter how small you are, you're running a business from your home, an online shop, you have a small store, you have a big business, a service business. Kupshi is the best for you. So I'm just going to go in here and show you a little bit of the Kupshi dashboard. This is what you're going to have here. And you have your inventory, you create all your products, services, you have product types, agri-chemicals, local meals, fast food, perishables. You have different types of movements and you can see them as it goes here. So if I just come onto any product and I click on the product itself, I'm going to see opening balance, current stock, incoming, everything that came in, outgoing, everything that went out. And you see all the movements just from a click. And remember, Kupshi is everywhere. You can log into the system from anywhere that you are in the world. So if it's multi-branch as well. If you have different branches, you just need to log in and see. So that's inventory. There's a POS module where if you want to, quickly invoice, you just need to click and you see everything keeps adding this way. And you come here, you add or you subtract or you reduce the quantities. And this is a working customer. I can select the customer right here, change the customer that I want. I can say Zara is my customer, and I just need to check this out, and then the inventory or the sales is done. And you have what we call customers module as well, where each customer, you can know what they are owing you. These are their balances. These are all your customers. I just need to click on the business group, and I'm going to see the invoices under it. And if I click on it, I'll see exactly total invoice, total amount paid, total balance. So he was owing us 440,000. He has paid 200,000. He's owing 240,000. So the status is partial. And then each time he made the payments, I'll see how much he paid. 100,000 on the 6th of June, and he also paid 100,000 on the 7th of June. So right now he's owing us. So I can print it. I can download it on PDF, and you can go to many other payments. So you have all your payments right here. And so I can go to as many payments as possible, and I will see the details. For example, Fortry, I've gone back to the very Fortry. Let me check another particular farmers association. So you see they pay through bank accounts and it was in cash advance, and so you can see everything under customers. Same thing with suppliers. So you create supplier invoices. You also have what we call expenses. So for each expense, rent expense, salaries expense, you have them here for your business. And there is a cash and bank module where from one place you see everything you have here for your company. So what you are holding in main cash accounts, Momo account, Maloko is also holding some cash. This is staff. I'm the one anyways. So for my business, and then what you have for UBA bank accounts and for cash for expenses, petty cash. So you can create all your cash accounts, and then you see exactly at any point in time what is in which account. And if you click into main cash, you're going to see all the descriptions. What came into that account and what was paid. For example, salaries for the month of July was paid through this account, minus 256,000 for your business. And you see what came in. Sales from POS came in 199,000, and July rent went out, rent expenses went out, and stuff like that. So from one place, you're going to see all of this. And if you are the boss, we set you up with the permission where anywhere you are, you see the reports. Let's say I come here and you are running a multi-branch company, like you have branches in Boya, in Bamenda, in Douala, you just need to come to group reports. And from this dashboard, you can see for headquarters, I see total sales for the day or for the week. You have a from and to date. You just need to change the from and to date from here, and you're going to see your total sales for headquarters, Femankam branch, and Boya branch right here. And you have what is collected or what is outstanding. If I click on Femankam branch, I'll see the details, the invoices, Bro Limited on the 14th of July, the amount, and so on and so forth. I can download, I can download on Excel, I can print, I can, download as PDF. And remember, you can choose the from and to date based on what you want. So if you want expenses or transactions for the past 1 week, past 1 month, past 3 months, you just need to select and it gives that to you instantly. And guys, we also have a tax management going on here where you assign tax, you have pending tax for your employees, tax in progress, completed tax, and tax that have been delivered. So guys, if you are watching me right now I would advise that you get this app for your business. No matter how small or how big your business is, if you have multi-branch, that is where it becomes very important. It's going to fix your processes and you're going to enjoy data in your pocket, on your computer, in your on your palm, on your mobile phone or your tablet. You can see everything from there. So contact us right now. The numbers are on the screen, and we are going to analyze your business, and we are going to install the Kupshi app for you, and we are going to fix your. So thank you guys for watching. If you have any question, as I said earlier, drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to do a video based on your question, and you are going to enjoy this. Remember that this video was done because a banker Joel asked this question. Thanks for the info. Please make a video on how to change the tax regime. I hope I answered your question in this video. If you have any other questions, drop it in the comment section, guys. I will do a video in response to your question, and it's going to benefit you. It's going to benefit the whole community, the business Africa community. And we are going to keep moving. If you're new here, please click on the subscribe button, like this video, and make sure you click on the share button. Share this on your status, share this on your Facebook, WhatsApp, anywhere you are, Instagram. Let the whole community come here and learn something. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.